In this video, I'll show you how to install Python. I'm going to walk you through and install it together with you. So first, open up a web browser. So I'm on Google Chrome here, I'm on Google, and I'm going to search here for Python, and then you can go to python.org. Once you're here, you need to go ahead and click on downloads. From here, you can go ahead and click on the Python version, which is going to be the standalone installer. So click on that and it will download it. You can then open up that exe file, which should have just downloaded. Now what we can do is we can go to custom installation. Before we do that though, go ahead and check these two, admin privileges and add Python to path. Once you've done that, you can just make sure everything is checked here. We need to install idle as well, so make sure that's checked. Click next, and then go ahead and click next again and install if you're happy with the current install location. Once you've done that, click yes to any admin pop-up, and it will then start to install Python. From here, we can see it is successful. So if we now open CMD, we can now type in Python space -- version. And it should show us that we have Python 3.1 4.3 installed, and that is how you do it.